So here we are in front of a spider colony. These spiders have just hatched and are waiting for the signal to then all start dispersing. There's probably about 300, I'd say, 300 of these baby money spiders right here, right now. It's going to be interesting to see them all go at the same time. I might get it as high-speed flash or probably more likely high-speed video. Let's check it out. So here they are again from another angle. And another angle. And away they go. Some of them have gone down. More bunches. And they're blowing away. It seems that they weren't really ready to leave, and as you can see, the string of spiders is climbing back up together so they can all be in a one big clump. So they seem to all be gathering back up. They didn't seem to want to go away really. They're all returning to the big sort of bunch up at the top. This has been Ash of Ashford 84. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. See you later.